Today I'm going to show you how to save OneNote to OneDrive. This is incredibly useful for backing up your notes to the cloud and ensuring you can access them from any device. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. First, open your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Wait a moment for everything to fully load before proceeding. This ensures all your recent changes and edits are ready to be saved properly to OneDrive. Once your notebook has loaded completely, the process of saving your OneNote notebook to OneDrive is quite straightforward. Start by looking at the top part of your screen where your tools and menus are located. Click on File. This will open up a menu with various options for managing your notebook and its settings. From the File menu, look to the left side panel and click on Save a Copy. This option is specifically designed to help you create a backup or duplicate of your notebook in a different location. Now you'll see several options for how you can save your OneNote notebook. These might include saving to your computer, OneDrive, or other connected cloud storage services. From here, simply click on the OneDrive option. This tells OneNote that you want to store your notebook copy in your OneDrive cloud storage. You'll be required to sign in with your OneDrive account if you haven't already done so. Enter your credentials carefully to ensure you're accessing the correct OneDrive account where you want your notes stored. Once you've signed in successfully, you'll be presented with your OneDrive folder structure. Simply select the directory from your OneDrive account where you wish to save your notebook. You might want to choose an existing folder or create a new one specifically for your OneNote notebooks to keep things organized. After selecting your preferred location, confirm the save action. Your notebook will now begin uploading to OneDrive. Depending on the size of your notebook and your internet connection speed, this might take a few moments. Once completed, your OneNote notebook will be safely stored in OneDrive and accessible from any device where you're signed in. And that's it. You've successfully saved your OneNote notebook to OneDrive, ensuring your notes are backed up and available wherever you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.